everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we talked about pairing dry January with a detox and why it's the perfect combination for a fresh start. If you missed it, go check it out because it sets the stage for today's video. Now let's dive into what you can expect during a detox, both the challenges and the benefits. Detoxing is a powerful way to reset your body, but it's important to go in prepared. So let's break it down. When you begin a detox, your body shifts into cleanse mode, which means you're releasing stored toxins. While this is incredibly beneficial in the long term, there are some temporary discomforts. So your body is working hard to process and eliminate toxins, so you might feel a bit tired during the first few days. To give you some ease, start your morning with a cup of dandelion root tea. This herb supports your liver, helping it detoxify more efficiently. Headaches can be caused by caffeine withdrawal or the release of toxins. To ease headaches, stay hydrated. Aim for about 2.5 litres of water, that's about 85 ounces daily. Adding marshmallow root tea can help soothe your system and ease discomfort. You might notice changes in your bowel movements as your gut adjusts and digestive system changes. To support these changes, incorporate high fibre foods like leafy greens and drink plenty of fluids. Now, herbs like marshmallow root are gentle on the digestive system and can help balance this transition. Now, as your body eliminates toxins, your skin might temporarily break out. This is a sign that your body is cleansing itself and that your skin is because your skin is the largest organ on your body and it's going to show. Now, this doesn't happen to everyone, but it is a sign of the toxins releasing. So include antioxidant-rich herbs like hibiscus. Now, if you introduce it into your daily routine, it can support your skin and your overall detox. Now, here's the bright side of detoxing. The challenges are temporary and the benefits are well worth it as you gain increased energy, improved digestion, clearer skin, and a sense of mental clarity. Detoxing is about giving your body the support it needs to reset and rejuvenate. But remember, every challenge you face during this process is a step closer to feeling your best. So in a nutshell, your support tools for detoxing are: number 1, hydration. I know you hear this a lot, but it's key. Make herbal teas like dandelion root, marshmallow root, and hibiscus your go-to. Drink them between meals or in the evening to maximize their benefits. Number 2, mindful eating. Yes, follow your detox meal plan in my 10-day detox plan. I have this coming up for you soon, so keep your body nourished and satisfied, and I'll be sharing those details of the 10-day detox plan that's coming up soon, so watch this space. And number 3, reset and relax. Allow your body to rest when needed. Gentle yoga or even a light walk can help your circulation and energy levels. So don't forget, I'll have all the details of my 10-day detox plan in the next few days so you can follow step by step, including the herbs you'll need to complement the Dry January challenge, where you remove alcohol from your diet in the month of January. This is a government a public health initiative, and this can help you get healthier to start your new year. So don't forget, I'll make sure that you get this 10-day detox guide. Keep watching so that you can get the details. Now, if you're curious about the herbs that I've mentioned, you can find them now, responsibly sourced, organic and wildcrafted, at naturalworkshops.com. But don't forget, you can get 50% off your first purchase to get you started on your detox journey. I've also launched a Telegram group for like-minded health seekers where you can ask questions and find support. The link will be in the description below. So join a community of people on Telegram, and you'll see that there are like-minded health seekers and you can ask questions there and get support. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, but hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming videos on natural solutions for your well-being. So stay healthy, be happy, and always be wise.